trench dug.
Who the heck are you?
Who the heck are you?
Hey, puppy.
Lucas, go take some pictures inside. Go take a picture of our wall.
I go take a picture of Nera.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video.
Oh, great.
Dead Man 5. Good morning, family. The Brian, Kelly, Kyle, and Alex. Summer 2012 construction. Christy, Sierra, Alice, Wisconsin invaded. Scott was here. Lucas was here. And there's a bunch of peace signs everywhere, but you can't see. So there. Chairs. The wood stove.
I kept bending nails every time I hit it with a stupid thing. I had my waffle stomper and it wouldn't do it, so I finally got mad. I finally got mad and I chucked it all over the woods. So it's still out there. No, it was that square-headed one that you were using.
What else? So
I had to get it the next day. No, I in the general area where I chucked it. You know, you can only throw one in so far.
Next time I come out, I expect another. Once the interior is done in 9 months, we'll have another Easter net.
It's got to be done by deer season. Even if it's not painted, I want to stay.